Hello guys, welcome to my video section. If you are just joining my YouTube channel for the first time, I want to plead to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get more free video content like this that can boost your business and that can make you a lot of money. My name is Ahmed Odusonya, and in this video section, this video tutorial is completely free. I'm going to be walking you through how to create a cryptocurrency investment website that can buy, that can sell, you can invest, and you can lend. Okay, all in one package, and it is a very powerful website. I will be showing you how to do that in a couple of minutes. Okay, and you can charge clients 200,000, 300,000, 100,000, 400,000 depending on what the client wants. And this is a very liberal video that can liberate you if you are really serious about making money online. And this video is going to be segmented, so I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about building this website. It's an application so that you can build search for your client, or you can even do it personally if you like. And this investment website is a very powerful website that I'll be showing you how you can do some trading and everything live, and you can include your emails for notification, SMS and everything, and it's going to be very powerful. And if you watch it to the end, I'm guaranteeing you that you are going to benefit very immensely from this video. I don't want you to skip anything. Stay tuned. I want you to be steadfast, be upright, and in this video you are going to learn a lot. So this is a disclaimer, and this is only for educational purposes for students or people who want to make similar sites for their projects. And this is a disclaimer, and because this tutorial is just for educational purposes, it's not for you to start be abusing it or making use of this site to perpetrate fraud or fraudulent acts. Okay, it's just for educational purposes for students or people who want to make similar sites for their projects. Okay, now in this tutorial, now the first thing we are going to do is we are going to learn how to install this cryptocurrency buy, sell and exchange system at our cPanel. By now, I want to believe you know how to buy a domain, you know how to get an hosting. So once you buy your domain on hosting, you can buy domain from Namecheap, you can buy from Bluehost, you can buy from different platforms so which. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I want to be sure that you have gotten your domain and hosting ready for this plan. You can use your main domain, or you can use a subdomain, but in this tutorial I'll be using a subdomain because I don't want to install it on my main domain. It's still the same thing. If you are installing on a domain, your main domain, is still the same thing. I'm just going to be creating a subdomain just for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, so the same thing I'm doing in my subdomain is the same thing you're going to do in your domain. Without further ado, let's get started, guys. Alright, now I'm in my cPanel, and this is my cPanel. So once you get your domain, you'll be given your cPanel. So once you get your cPanel, so you can just navigate to where your file manager. Okay, you can just go to file manager, let me open this in a new tab. Go to file manager. Once you go to file manager, you see your domain, public HTML. Just if you are using your main domain, click on publish HTML. Okay, so this is where you are going to install it. But here I already have a domain here. Okay, I already have a domain here, so I don't need to install anything. Okay, I already have a domain here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a subdomain. Okay, I'm going to create a subdomain for the purpose of this tutorial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to, you can see domains, subdomains. I'm going to go to subdomains. So I'm going to put demo demo crypto. So demo crypto, this is my demo crypto.amedolution.com. So click on create. So you just have to give it time. Okay. So now it has created. So now can I go back to our cPanel? So I'm going to refresh this. So you can see demo crypto. So once you get here, so it's the same thing as going to the public HTML, still the same thing. Okay, so I'm just going to click this. So I'm going to click on upload. So I'm going to click on upload. I'm going to drop the file here. So I'm going to navigate to where the file is. So I'm going to go to my file. So this is where the file is. Let me minimize it. So I'm going to drag it. This is the file. Just drag it, target here. So it will install. It is about 162 megabytes. So it will install. So it might take some time depending on your network. Okay, so I don't want to waste your time. So I'm going to pause this video. So once it's finished uploading, so I'm going to resume it back. Alright, so it has completed the setup, the uploading. So what you need to do is just click on go back to home. So once you do this, so it will come back here, and you are going to see this main 4.1 zip. You are going to see this. So what you need to do is to extract this. So click on this, click on extract. So click on extract files. It will extract the file content to this domain. So it has extracted. So what we need to do, you can delete this. Okay, you can delete this. Oh, sorry. So you can delete this. Delete. So we don't need this again. So now what we need to do is click on these aspects. You can see we want to move all this into the main directory. Okay, so if you can see this now, you can see that the main directory is here. So we don't need all this file. We want every of the file to be in this democrypto.amedolution.com. So we want everything to be there. So we don't want any subfolder. Same thing if you are installing the public HTML, you don't need any subfolder whatsoever. Okay, so what you need to do is click on this and you click on select all. So you click on move. Click on move, and you can see instead of this folder, you delete this folder. Okay, you erase this, just you'll be left with demo crypto 2. So now it will now move it to this domain. So it will move it. So click on up one level, you can see it has been moved. So you can now delete this. We don't need it again. So you cannot delete this. Now what we need to do is we have to install it. So I'm going to copy this URL, Ctrl+C demo crypto that we have uploaded the file on. So we are going to go to our website. So paste it here, then /install. Okay, /install. So you can see now it will start installing. Now we need to put the purchase key. Okay, you need to put our purchase key. So I'm going to get the purchase key. Okay, don't worry, at the end of the video I'm going to tell you how to get this licensed one. Okay, this license key I'm going to tell you, so you don't have to worry about anything. I'll tell you about it, how to get it. So I'm going to put my user ID here. I'm going to get it fast. So I'll put the purchase key. Okay, I'll put the purchase key, and I'll put the user ID. So click on next. So congratulations, so it is verified. So now you can see now that everything is success. So everything is success. So you have the SMTP, everything is success. So you click on next. Now we need to create a database. Okay, now how do we now create a database? So you go to our cPanel. So you go to our cPanel. Let's go to our cPanel. So how do we create a database? So you go to database, MySQL database in your cPanel. So click on MySQL databases. So now that database can be demo crypto. Let me name it as demo crypto to be on the safe side. So demo crypto, click on create database. Click on go back. Now we need to create a user for this database. And how do we create a user? So the same vein, add new user. So demo crypto. So the password. So let me put the password. So the password again. So click on create user. So click on go back. Now we need to grant this user a privilege. Okay, we are going to add this user to the database. You know, we created the user, we created the database. Now we want to make that user to where is it? We want to make that user to be granted that database so that the user can use that database. So what we need to do is this. So click on add. So it now tell you to grant the privileges. You can see. So click on all privileges and click on make changes. So that is it. So our username now is this. We copy this. We come here. So what is the database name? It's the same thing. Database username, the same thing. Database password. I think it is this. Just so that is it. So click on next. Okay, I think, let me see. So it might copy database name, database username, the password. Okay, now click on next. Now it's gone. So credentials. Now please add your own initial email and your please change. Now we can now add our own email. Let me see. This is the email that I want to use. Let me choose my password. Okay. So it will, after 3 seconds, it will, you can see you can continue after 3 seconds. Click on next. Okay, so it has been successful. You can see wait after 2 seconds. Now click on finish installation process. You can see it's very easy. Okay, now it said please delete installer to run your application. Now click on delete now. You can see very easy. Click on launch now and boom, you are there. You are there right now. You are there. You are having the live cryptocurrency website now. So you can see that it is a very powerful. You can see you are having the live cryptocurrency website here. You can see, and it has live coins. Okay, it has live coins. You can see all this. You can see you have live cryptocurrency websites. You can see buy, sell, more, package. Let's click on package. So you can see how beautiful it is. You can see startup. This is an investment. So if you are investing $100, period 365 days, yearly return on investment $160, monthly ROI 12, weekly, daily, they have daily, medium. Okay, you can see we are going to customize all these things. We are going to customize. I'm going to teach you how to do all these things. You can see Pretoria, different packages. Different packages. You can register, you can sign in, you can do everything. Okay, more savvy buy, sell, package. If you want to buy, let's say you want to buy, click on buy. Okay, you can see very. You can see what cryptocurrency do you want to buy. Okay, Bitcoin. So we are still going to put more coin. Okay, select payment method. You can see pay stack is there. You can do all these things. Coin market, go to coin market. So you see different kind of coins. Okay, you can do all these things. This service alone, you can charge 100,000, 300,000. You can see different coins that they can advertise with. You can trade with. You can even put adverts here. Okay, you can see different coins. You can see different live coin. This is a live coin. Live coin that you can see. You can see it is live. You can see it is live. Live, you can see it is changing by itself. You can see live. This is a very, very good investment for yourself. Now I'm going to go to the admin section. Now, how do you go to the admin section? To go to admin section to customize, so we are going to go to our website /admin. Okay, admin. So to log in, let's log into the admin section. So the email address we are using, I think, is this. So the captcha, so put your captcha EVZE, click on login, and boom. So we are at the back end of our website, our application. We are at the back end of our application. You can see it's so easy to customize. There is no stress, there is nothing, so it is fully flexible. Very flexible. So we are going to be customizing some parts here. I'm going to be customizing some parts. You can see total user, one person, total ROI, total commission. You can see all these things here. You can see now the first thing we need to do is to go to settings and change all our logos, our creatives, and everything. So the first thing that we're doing is click on settings. You click on app settings. Now, what is the name of your application? Now, cryptocurrency trading website. So I'm going to name it as maybe crypto invest. Let's say crypto invest. Crypto invest. Cryptocurrency trading system. Now the address, you can put your address here. So you can put your address here, email address, phone number, then favicon. I think I have a logo on favicon. So let me see if I can add this favicon that I've created. Let me see if I can add it. Just so let's see if you can add this. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think this is the favicon. Okay, I don't have favicon here. So let's see this. Let me just pick this. And let me pick this dashboard logo. So dashboard logo, let me pick this crypto invest. I've already designed this. So you can go to canva.com if you want to design your logo. You can go to canva.com. So you go to canva.com, you log in. So you can create different logo that you want. So I'm going to log into my canva.com account. So this, I'll put this here. So website logo, you can also put your website logo. So I'll be using the same thing. I'll be using this also. So then language is English, then time zone, Africa Lagos, because I'm in Lagos. So Africa Lagos. Then office time close maybe 8 a.m. to, it depends, 5 p.m. 5 o'clock. So I can just put a.m. p.m. So then you can just change this copyright to your site, crypto invest trading system. Okay, crypto invest trading system, change it to 2022. So you click on save. So once you go to this login, so let's log in with email. So login with email. So login. So I'm trying to log in so that I can just show you how you can just create your own too. So once you log in, and you can see the has changed, you can see the logo has changed here. So crypto invest. So how do I create this? So it's very easy. Just go to Canva, you click on create a design, and you were told that they need 184 by 42. So you go to custom size, say 182, 186 by 42 by 42. Click on create a new design, and you can create your design. So you can design anything you want. So I don't want to waste much time in this video, so you can design any logo you want. You can search for templates, you can search for elements. Go to elements here. So that I design mine. You can search for elements. You can just say Bitcoin. You can search for Bitcoin. So search for elements. So let me go to elements. So search for anything. Let me say Bitcoin. So you search for Bitcoin. You can see this. You can drag it here. Okay, so once you see the one that pleases you, drag it here. Okay, so you can drag it here. You can choose text formats. So if you like this, you can, or maybe you want to use this or this, you just drag it here and you customize yours. So you put anything that you want to put, maybe DC coin or something. So anything, but just make sure that the color you will be choosing matches. Let's delete this. Matches the color, the background of what you want to design. You can see this black. So I'm using a kind of yellowish color or something, orange on black, which is good. So also here, you know, this one can also fit on black. You can increase this. You can put this here. So once you do that, you can. So once you do this, so you just click on download, and that is all. So now let's go back to our this thing. So we have changed everything here. So now the next thing we need to do is the fee settings. No, the next thing we need to do, let's configure our email gateway. So we want to configure our SMTP, okay, email gateway, because that is what we are going to be using to receive alerts, okay, notifications. Okay, once someone deposits money, someone wants to withdraw money, someone wants to make a transfer, you are going to be receiving email notifications. Okay, now in the email application, the reason why I love this is that you don't need to go to the cPanel to configure SMTP server. Right here you can do that and you can test it. Okay, so now let's configure our whole. You are going to be using Gmail. Okay, let's use Gmail account. So let's use our own Gmail account. So now what we're going to be doing is the title is maybe crypto invest trading system. Now protocol is SMTP, I think SMTP. Then host is smtp.gmail.com. Then port, let's leave it at 465. The username, your email is your username, which is in mine. I'll be using businessimpact@gmail.com. Then the password, I'm going to put the password. So this is the password. Then you leave everything the way it is. Now there is a problem. The problem is that if your email is not, if your less secure is off, okay, in your Gmail, so there will be an error, there will be an issue. So to turn on your less secure, So I will advise you use a new Gmail account for this. Okay, so you can go to your Gmail account. So I'm going to add, I just want to show you how this works. To log into your Gmail account, I just want to show you how this works. So once you log into your Gmail account, the first thing you need to do is you need to change the security to less secure, which is on. So if it is off, Gmail will not, you will not be able to use Gmail SMTP. Okay, and this is so if someone wants to send emails from Gmail, so they use that less secure security to secure your Gmail so that people will not be using your Gmail to perpetrate fraud. Okay, now what you need to do is click on this gear button here, this this icon here, square icon. So click on my account, the account. So once you click on account, you go to security. Okay, click on security. Once you go to security, you see this less secure app. My own is on. Okay, you can see if your own will be off, so you can now turn it on. Okay, now if I want to turn it off now, you can say I'll just put this. Once I put this, I won't be able to use this email to send mails again. Okay, so I'm not going to put it on off, so I'm going to put it on. So just it must be on. It must be on for it to work. Okay, now once this is done, click on save. So let's test it if actually we are going to receive it. So let's put our email. So if it says successful, it means we are good. Test alert. So let me just copy this one also. So let's click on send. Oops, we seem to have hit it now. Please try again later. So I think there is a problem here, smtp.gmail.com. Okay, HTML. So let's see. SMTP, crypto investment. Okay, test alerts. Okay, if problem with Gmail SMTP, please use another. Now let's use port 587 first. 587. So it's either we use port 465 or 587. Let's see if 587 will go. Click on send. Oh no. I've not saved it. There will be an error. Let's see. There will be an error. I've not saved it. So let's save it as 587. Okay, updated successfully. Let's see if it will go to. Let me just put this. Let's see. Email not configured in server. I think we are getting somewhere. At least it has responded something. So email not configured in server. Let's use 465. Let's save it. So let's try this. Hello. Let's see. Email not configured in server. Why? Maybe the password is wrong. Let me see, because I typed it. Let me go and copy my password. Let me copy my password from here. So I've copied the password. So let's paste it here. Click on save. So let's test it. Let me use different email for this. Maybe it will go. Let's see. Email not configured. Let's use for 587. Save. Try to the system. So HTML, yes. So let's see. Because this is the first thing we need to do, because if this doesn't go through, there is no way we can move forward. Email not configured this server. Okay, what I'm going to do is okay, so let's continue. I'm going to find a way around this email and SMS settings. Let's see this. Okay, this are email and SMS settings. I'm going to find a way around there, but let's just configure other settings first, so that this one will be the last one. I can also configure SMS gateway. So if you have SMS gateway, you can. So there are 3 different types of gateways here: info, next move, budget, SMS. So once you register for them with this SMS gateway, you can put the host here, username, your user ID, API key, and you can test. So that is very, very straightforward. Now the next step for us to do is fee settings. Fee settings. So select level. Now this is deposit, withdrawal, transfer. So they have already said this for you. If someone wants to deposit, this is the amount, 1%. Withdraw 1%. Transfer is 1%. You can see, you can delete if you don't want 1%. If you say, okay, you want to collect 3% for your own, you can delete this. Okay, delete this deposit. So now you cannot add your own deposits, fees, 3%. Click on save. So now you have 3% as deposit. You can also say transfer. If I want to transfer, I need 2%. I don't need 1%. Okay, so you can just do transfer. Okay, is it transfer? Transfer. Maybe I need 2% or 2.5. So we can set the fees here. Okay, now this is successful. Now commission setup. Now this for like level, like commission, affiliates. So it's like the investment or affiliate or bonuses that you want to give your team. Now personal investments. Okay, personal investment. If someone invests like 500, it depends on your currency. If it's 500, if you are using dollars, fine. But if you are using like naira or something, you can change it to higher figure like 50,000, 10,000, depending. So I'll be working with like naira here. So if you are working with, like, let me say, if the person is investing 5,000 naira, so total investment, personal investment, total investment maybe 10,000, team bonus maybe 500, the referral bonus 5%. So this person is, you can increase this one to maybe 10,000, or maybe this one is 20,000 or 15,000. So team bonuses is 1,000. So referral bonus. So you can change all these things. Click on update. So once you update, so we can now let's change the currency. So we can change the currency fee. So how do you change the currency fee? So you come to the app settings here. Let's change our currency fee. Okay. Let's change our currency fee. Okay, I'm still going to talk about this cron job here. We're still going to talk about how to configure this cron job, but let's talk about the currency fee. I think the currency fee should be here. Fee settings. Let's see fee settings. No. Okay, payment gateway. So I'm still going to come to payment settings, commission setup. Okay, language settings, email settings. Okay, finance. Okay, let's go to settings, the app settings. Okay, so we already set up our settings. I think the currency should be here, somewhere here. Okay, I think it's in exchange settings. So you click on exchange settings, click on local currency. So local currency. So you can see, you can change it to Nigerian Naira. So, and our currency is Naira. So currency ISO code is NGN. Exchange rate, so you are going to you are the one to determine the exchange rate of the current dollar. So if the exchange rate now is maybe 500, put 500 here. So this is the exchange rate is going to be using throughout the transaction for the customer. So throughout the transaction for the customer is going to be using 500 as the exchange rate. Then symbol. So our symbol will be Naira. So but you can go to Google and just see Naira symbol. Okay. Naira symbol. So just copy this symbol, Naira symbol, come here, so you paste it here, this symbol, you paste it. So left, click on update. So to update across board. Okay, it has successfully updated. Then now let's go back to settings here. Let's see if I say I'm still going to come back to this email gateway after that. So if you want to add additional languages, you can go to language settings and you can add Spanish, add different things. So but we don't need that for now. Now the next thing for us to do is to add our payment gateway. Let's do our payment gateway first. So you go to payment gateway. So which payment gateway do you want to use? You can see there's PayPal, there's Paystack, there's Stripe, there's Payeer. So let's choose Paystack because I'm in Nigeria. So you're going to choose Paystack. So you can see this is Paystack. So there's a demo, this is a demo key. So you're going to go to our Paystack, my Paystack account, paystack.com. So you go to Paystack, click on login. So once you go to Paystack, now what you need to do is click on settings. Okay, you can see this down part. Click on settings. So you click on API keys and webhooks. So you can see this. You are going to copy this live key. You can see, copy this secret key, input your password. So you are going to copy this key, live secret key. I've copied it. Go back here, this secret key, paste it here. Then the client secret. This is the client's, secret key, client secret, API key. Okay, let's see. This is the public key. So copy this public key. This is it. Paste it here. Then you go back here, live callback URL. So you can see this is the live callback URL. Copy this callback URL. So you come here, you come back here, live webhook. This, if there's webhook there, is okay. And mode is premium. So status is active. So what you need to do is click on update. Okay, click on update, and here, so click on save changes. So that is it. Now so once this is done, so you have clicked on update. So we have successfully set up our payment gateway. You can also set up a phone. If you are using mobile money, you can set up the phone, mobile money. You can see mobile money, the phone, and you click on active. So if your mobile money number is maybe 234 So if this is your mobile money, you can just click on update. So this is the number that will be receiving the alert for the mobile money. Now we have successfully set up our payment gateway system. Now what we need to do now is to go back to our package. So we want to see which package do we have so that we can edit it. You can see the other time I told you that we saw the different packages: $100, $300, $400. You can see these are the different packages you have. So if you don't want this, you can delete it. If you don't want this, you can delete this. And this will be in Naira. This will now be in Naira instead of dollars. So you can now, this is startup. Your startup, you can be maybe 3,000. You know, the other time we were talking in dollars. Now you have to edit this to suit your currency. If you are in India, to be rupee. If you are in your US, dollars. If you are in different part of the country, so just use your currency. Okay, just use your currency. You can see the package amount now will now be maybe 1,000 or maybe 3,000. This one now will be in Naira. Okay, so now be in Naira. So 3,000 maybe Naira. Then monthly ROI. So you are the one to determine this. What is the monthly return on investment that you want to give to the investor? So if you are giving 13%, maybe 3%, 3.07%, fine. Then total percent is 5. Total percent is 5. Yearly ROI is 160. So that is it. So depend on you. So package details, package 1. Okay, that is startup. So you click on update. So you do that for different packages. Okay, I don't want to go through all the list. Click on package, and if you decide that you want to add another package, you can do that, but you can leverage on the existing ones. You can just edit them. Okay, you can see, so you can edit all these things to suit what you need. Okay, now what we need to do now is let's go back to finance. We have a deposit list. So this is for the admin. If customers has deposited certain amount of money in the platform, is going to be displayed here. Okay, now a deposit that is made by a customer will go to pending deposit until the admin finally confirm the deposit. Okay, now this is the withdrawal list, the same thing as pending withdrawal. Then this is the credit list. So this is the credit list, that all the the customers that has credited their account, it will appear here. Okay, so you can just add credit. Now if you want to add credit for certain customer, so you need to get their ID. So maybe their ID is VVV or all these things. So maybe amount I want to add 6,000. You can just say added. Okay, click on send. Send the amount successfully, because there is no user that is that, but if the user exists, so it will just credit the user's account, okay, with that amount. Okay, now what have you again? Now this is where you can edit the admin, users. You can see the user list, all the users that is on your platform. You can see the users here. Now let's delete this. Let's action. So you can deactivate this user if you like, or let's put another user here on loud. So let's put another user here on loud one. First name maybe Adi, then email, let's say, okay, the mobile number, so let me just put this, sponsor ID, so then password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, Password confirm 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So click on update. So updated successfully. Now let's see if you can log into incognito mode. New incognito mode. Demo crypto. So let's see if you can log in. So this is the customer section now. Want to see how to perform different operations. Now let's go to the package that we already edited the other time. You click on package, you see that it will be affected. We set I think 1000 something for the package. So you are going to see the list now. You can see startup, okay, 3000. Okay, we did 3000 then. Okay, you can see 3000. So you know, in this crypto you deal with dollars if you are doing for transactions. So you can see that is why. Where is it? I think we deleted the other one. Okay, so startup package 1 3000. You can see we edited this. Okay, it's supposed to be $100. Okay, because I think here is in dollars. Okay, it's in dollars. But if you want to pay out, or maybe someone wants to buy, you can pay in naira. Okay, you can choose pay stack to pay in naira equivalent of this amount, or maybe in rupees, or in any of your currency. You can see that we have edited this like 3000. No, we put 3000. Like we want to like have 3000 naira, but I think it is $3000 because you need to know dollar is the normal currency used to trade. So nobody trades in naira, so you are going to trade in dollars. So that is how you can see here. So let's click on login. You can see the logo Crypto Invest is there. So you can see Crypto Invest. So now let's log in. Our username is, I think is Olad1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Login. So we can see we have successfully logged in. You can see this is live coin here if you want to trade. Now let's see here, go to dashboard. So you see how the dashboard is like. You can see how the dashboard, and this is the affiliate URL. For example, if you want to refer people and you earn money, so you can copy this affiliate link and you can start promoting. Now this is the package. So package list. So if this person wants to subscribe to the package list, you can see the person can just say buy. So I don't want to initiate a buy now because I want to set the email notification so that once we buy, we can see how the email notification will be like. So I don't want to do any transaction here. Okay, I don't want to do it now. But let me just explain the different concepts here. Now here, my commission. For example, if this person has promoted his or her link and gotten like different generations, maybe different set of people, so he's going to see his or her generations here. So he's going to see the generation, the different people that he has referred or she has referred to the platform. So team bonus, my commission, my payout, everything is going to be displayed. Now exchange, a person can exchange cryptocurrency, can buy, can sell. If the person wants to exchange it, you can see the different cryptocurrency that is there. You can see different cryptocurrency that is there. So the person can exchange, okay, and the person can just buy crypto. The person can buy a crypto. You can see Nigerian naira. You can buy in naira. So that is the essence of this naira. So your wallet ID, payment method. You can see pay stack. Now let's go to the admin section. Now let's go to the admin section. So in the admin section, let's go to exchange settings. So let's go to exchange. Now, if the admin wants to, if the admin is transacting with people online, so you must have a coin. Okay, you must have a coin so that coin address is where customers will be paying if they want to buy crypto or they want to sell crypto, because you must have your own wallet address. That is the main thing. So how do we now get your own wallet address? You can sign up for different coins and you get their email, your wallet address. You go to cryptocurrency. So you go to cryptocurrency, you can see the different cryptocurrency that is there. You can see this is active. You have BTC. You can click on this pencil icon. You can see it is active. Okay. Now you go back. The ones that you want to make active, you make it active. But the ones that is not active, they won't be able to transfer. They won't be able to exchange with that coin. For example, you want them to exchange Ethereum, so it is active. You want them to exchange Ripple, it's active. So you can see, if you want them to exchange USDT, you can make it active too. So you can see all these ones, it is customizable. So you can customize all the coins that you want. There are over 100 coins here. There are over 100 coins that you can customize. Now, you go to exchange wallet. This is the main thing. This is where money will be dropping into your account as the admin. Okay, this is where the money will be dropping. For example, this is Bitcoin. Okay, let's click on action. Now you want to collect Bitcoin as a wallet. So you can see cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. Your wallet ID, let's say your wallet ID is 56SS3. Let me just say this is your wallet ID. Okay, this is your wallet ID. So sell adjustment. Sell adjustment means that if you are selling Bitcoin on your website, you know, plus or minus, there should be an adjustment. In the case of maybe currency drop or maybe trade drop or something, so you need to adjust. You need to create a selling adjustment like 1% or 2%. You can just give 3%. Then if they are buying, okay, adjustment you can put 4% or 2% depending. Okay, so click on update. So it means this is your wallet, and whenever people wants to sell Bitcoin or buy Bitcoin, it will be in your escrow. This is your wallet. It should be your wallet first, and those commissions that you have set adjustment will be automatically removed as your admin fee, admin charge. Now I want to add another cryptocurrency. So let's go to exchange settings again. Click on exchange wallet. So this, I want to add another coin. Exchange wallet. Click on this button here. So which currency do I want to add? Ethereum. Let me, I want to add Ethereum. So let me say this is my wallet ID. Set adjustment, I can put it at 3, buy 2, active, click on create. So it means they can trade with Ethereum, they can pay with Bitcoin, they can pay with anything. So you go to exchange setting again. If you want to add more coin or more wallets, so you go there, click on this button again. Okay, you can see you can add different coins. You can see Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. You can see. So let's just stop there for now. Okay, so we have done the payment gate. And okay, now let's see the customers list, user list. You see the customer list, you see the different customers that are there. You can see. So this is user ID of this customer. This is the full name, this is the name. You can see. Now let's register as a customer. Let me register again. This is the customer section now. Let me log out. I'm going to log out of this accounts. Okay, let me log out. Excuse me. So I'm going to log out. Click on log out. So now I'm going to register as a customer now. I'm going to register as a customer. So I want to register as a customer. So you can see this live coin. You can see it is loading. You can see this is live coin. So it is connected to the live server of cryptocurrency sites. Okay. Now I'm going to click on login/register. So I'm going to click on register. So my first name, or let me just say last name, username, let me just put Yum. So Nigeria, phone number. Let's put so the email address. Let me put an email address. Okay, let me put this email address. So the password, let me just put lowercase, capital letter, so lowercase. Let me just put as lowercase is accepted, uppercase yes, yeah, at 2022. Okay, so let me put the same password. Okay, your password at global crypto are encrypted, so click on this, click on sign up. So account created, you can see activation link sent to your email address. Okay, let's see activation link. So I checked my account now, so I didn't receive the activation link because you have not set up the email notification. Okay, so if you have not set up the email notification, there's no way the activation link will be sent to the email address. Now let's go to the email notification. So let's edit the email notification. Let's try it again. So if by now it will, so this is the settings. Let's go to email gateway. So I don't know why it is proving stubborn. So SMTP, the port smtp.gmail. Let's type this, maybe because we chose it. Let's type it ourselves. Let's type it. So at times there are some systems that will involve you to type instead of you copying and pasting. So let's put it at 465 business. Yes, let me type the email again, password. Okay, click on save. Now let's try it again to let's see. Alright, so let's see if it will go. So let's try 587. So let's try this. So it doesn't go, so we need to use a third-party SMTP. Wow, that is good, successful. Wow, that is very fantastic. Okay, now I'm so happy now that it went through. So let's open our Gmail account. Let's test this again. So wow, that is good. So let's open. Okay, so let me send it to Business Impact. Hello. Okay, let me just send it again. Let's see. So far it has gone. It has gone. Successful. You can see. So we are using port 587 instead of 465. So we should use port 587, not 465. Let's see our email. Let's refresh this. You can see hello. You can see is how many ago. We can see that we have received it. So you use your. So now the mistake I see here, or maybe some of the mistakes that you need to avoid here is number one is make sure you type. Don't copy and paste. Type everything, don't copy and paste, because I think the system doesn't recognize typing, copying and pasting. So if you want to type smtp.gmail.com, don't copy, just type it. Type this, type all the email, type password, type everything, click on save, and you test your sending. That's it. Now you can now go and register again. Let's go and register. Let's go back and register. So let's log in and let's sign up. Let's register so that we are going to let's register again. So let me open the Gmail account here so that we can confirm our account. So let's open the Gmail account here so that you can confirm the account here. Okay, click on next. So now let's do it again. Now let's register. So first name, let me just pick this business. So phone number, let me just put this phone number. So business impacts. businessimpact@gmail.com. So this is the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, we can't use that. So there's a rule for the password. Let me just say this. Okay, so there's a rule in the password. Okay, click on this, click on sign up. So let's see if we will receive the activation link again here. So let's see. I think activation link has been sent. Let's go to our Gmail. Let's refresh this. You can see your account was created. You can see because it's the same account. It says me because I'm using that same account. Your account was successfully. Please click on the below. You can see 0 minutes ago to activate it. So this is how your clients or customers is going to create their account. They are going to receive the activation link. You can see active account. Now we can now log in. Now let's log in. Business. So you can now log in. So now we need to go to our dashboard. So this is our dashboard. Now, so the first thing we need to do now is, let's say this person wants to buy a package. This is a customer. This wants to buy a package list. This is the customer section now. Let's say this person wants to buy a $200 of package. You click on buy. Okay. Now you can see this is the details of the person. This is the customer details, business impact, the number, account. You can see this is the account number, the ID of this customer. So this is the ID of the customer. So click on confirm. So balance is not sufficient, you can see. So the person can fund the account. Okay, let me say this person wants to finance, add deposits. So the person wants to add a deposit of, let's say, $5,000 in the account. So amount this person wants to deposit, let me say 50,000. Deposit method, let's use mobile money. So because if you use Paystack, you are going to go and pay me. Okay, so I won't use Paystack, I use mobile money. At least I can confirm there. So you can see that the fee is $1,500. So if you are paying, this is the fee that you are paying. Okay, so this is the mobile number, the one that we will be receiving, that we have configured earlier on. OM name, let me say business is the name. Operator name, that is operator mobile name. So operator mobile number, let me just put anything. The transaction number that you have generated, card number. So click on deposits. You can see deposit now. So I'm going to go to the admin section. So admin section will now go to finance, deposit list. You click on pending deposits. Pending deposits. The admin will click on pending deposit. The admin is going to see this. Let me refresh this. It should propagate. So let me click on deposit list. So let's see this first. Okay, I have not paid. You can see this, it's just a payment process, so we need to pay. It has given us the total amount, which is 51,500. Click on payment process. So it's going to pay and it's going to be pending. Okay, wait for confirmation. So if the person go to the dashboard, so you can see there's nothing here for now. Okay, now let's go to the admin section. Now let's go to pending deposit. You see the transaction here, the pending deposits in the admin. You can see 50,000, 1,500. You can see, click on confirm. So the admin is going to click on confirm. Oh, sorry, network error. So pending deposit. Okay, let's see deposit is, I think it has gone. So you can see it has been marked successful. Now let's go to the customer section here and it refresh this. $50,000 is there, balance $50,000. Okay, now this person can now buy this package. Click on package list. So the person can now buy, let's say I want to buy this package, $200. So you click on confirm. So it will be deducted automatically from the balance. You can see package buy successfully. Okay, so you click on the dashboard, you see that it has been deducted. 49,800, investment $200. You can see. So this is sponsor turnover, withdraw. So let me say you want to withdraw. Okay, let's go to the customer admin section now. So admin section, go to package list. So you can see the package list. Now if you want to see, go to finance. This is deposit list, and click on user list. You see we have like 2 users here, 3 users, yes, 3 users. Okay, now you can see. So you can see the ID. Okay, so this one is inactive. Because you have not confirmed the account. You can now make it active. Okay, so this is the package, this is the finance. So let's say we want to withdraw. Let's say the customer wants to withdraw. So let's say finance withdraw. Maybe the customer wants to withdraw what is it? Maybe let me say 1,200. So payment method, maybe mobile money. So you have no wallet ID. Okay, paste tag. Okay, Bitcoin. Okay, I think the customer needs to, let's see this package transaction. You can see the transaction. There are different transactions that this customer has done. You can see everything will be displayed there. Now click on exchange. Let's say settings. Payment method settings. You can see the customer has to add the payment method settings. So if this customer wants to buy maybe this Bitcoin wallet, so you can just add the payment method. So this is where, if the person wants to withdraw, this is where it will do the withdrawal to be sent here. So payment method, payer, payment method. You can see different one, mobile money. Let me say this is the mobile money payment method. Click on update. Okay, so you can now go to finance, withdraw. Okay, go to withdraw. How much you want to withdraw? Let me say you want to withdraw $3,000, and because we have configured our Bitcoin, you can see it will bring your wallet. You can see your wallet ID is this. So we need to send OTP sent to email address. You can see we are going to receive this email address here. We are going to receive the notification. Click on withdraw. So let's see if we are going to receive the notification. We should have checked the deposit the other time if you have received the deposit. Now let's go to this, our email. You can see withdraw verification code. You can see this. You can see that all these transaction details we have received them. You bought a $200 package successfully. You can see the notification. You successfully deposit the amount or your new balance is this. You can see that we are getting the email notification. Withdrawal verification code is, you can see this is the verification code. You copy this verification code, you go back, where is it? You go back here, you can see the verification code. This is for security. Click on confirm. Okay, please wait. Your custom email sent successfully. So to send another email, I think to send another email, you can see withdraw. You successfully withdraw the amount. You can see $3 from your account. Your new balance is this. So you have withdrawn the amount. So once you have withdrawn the amount, the money will automatically be in pending. So the admin has to confirm it. So admin has to go to the admin section. So admin has to go to, where is it? So admin go to withdraw list. So sorry, pending withdrawal. Sorry, it should be pending withdrawal, not withdraw list. Okay, I think it's still the same thing. So Bitcoin, you can see this person wants to withdraw this. So if I should click confirm, this $3,000 will automatically be transferred to this wallet ID of the customer, and the person is going to receive an email alert. Click on confirm, and the person will receive an alert. Okay, so the person has automatically received an alert. So let's go to the dashboard again. So now let's go to the customer's email account. Okay, let's go to this withdrawal list, and let's see if, so 3 person, you can see total investment $200. You can see total commission. I have not paid any commission. Let's go to finance withdrawal list. Let's see if this has been successfully done. So click on confirm. Let's click on confirm. So I don't know, let's go to dashboard again. I don't know why it's, okay, I think we should go to, let's go to finance, pending withdrawal. Let's see pending withdrawal. So information, let's see the information of the customer. Okay, close. So click on confirm. Okay, that's confirmed. We are going to the withdrawal list before, so you can now go to withdrawal list. Is for people that has withdrawn from the product that we have confirmed. So that is why it's taking us to the home page the other time. You can see. So the person automatically will get, you can see this pending will now change to confirmed. Okay, let's refresh this sources. So you can see the email, the person will have received the email. Okay, let's see, you have received an email. Let's refresh this. Okay, I think you have successfully bought. So I think it will send an email to the admin that this is successful. You can see you have received the notification. That is awesome. That is awesome. You can see, you can perform different notification here. You can check your transaction, your finance, your account, and everything here. Okay, now what we need to do now is, if we want to customize our site, our front end site, okay, let's go to customer section here. Click on this. So you can see our front end site. You can see if you want to customize it, the different sections. You want to change the different sections here. How do you do that? I want to change the different sections here. So you go to the admin section. Once you go to the admin section, you go to CMS. So you can see the different place. So this is the slider. You can change the slider. You can change the social link. If you want to change the social link, click on the social link. You know, I told you the other time that you can place an advert. Okay, you can place an advert. I think there's a place for advert package. So you can place an advert. I think, let's see, coin markets. So there's a place you can place an advert. Okay. So you can see this advert section. You can place an advert here. So that is what I'm going to be showing you here. So you can see the different social link. You can edit it and put your own link. So you go to maybe coin markets or something, categories. Let's go to the category aspect. So you can change this very. So once you change it, you can see the category aspect, Bitcoin, contacts, service. Let's say I want to change the contact also. Click on the pencil icon. So you can see contacts. So you can put your own here, category title. You can see this is the category. So, but if you want to change the content of the category of the contact, come to contacts here. Okay, so you can just change the contact to your number. Okay, just change the contact here. You can just change contact us. Contact us. So you change your contacts. You can change your contacts. So change your phone number. So change your phone number. So you can just change everything here. Click on update. So once you click on update, you can just go and check the customer section and see how it looks like. So let's go to home. So you can see contacts. Let's say contacts. You can change all this content here. All this content, you need to change everything to suit your own taste. Okay, so you can see contacts, fax. You can see all this. You can see that we have changed everything. So get in touch. So the email. So once we say get in touch, so this one is going to be sent to the email address of the admin. So this is how to design a complete investment website that can send, receive, you can lend, and you can do all sorts of things. It's a very powerful website, you can see. So I've taken my time to walk you through how to design this complete website for free. Okay, to get this, because I promise I'm going to show you how to get this licensed software. So to get this, you can click, there's a description in the link below. So just go there and get yours and start charging your clients 200,000, 300,000 to design this kind of website. Okay, guys. So in the next my subsequent video, I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks to design different kind of website that you can charge your client 200,000, 300,000, so that you can be able to earn money, cool money, design this thing from the comfort of your home, and you can earn as much as 5 million naira, 10 million naira per month if you are really serious about this. Okay, so click on the description below and get yours now. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Solution Ahmed. If you have any questions, inquiries, or anything that you want or you want me to make a video on, please kindly comment in the description below, in the comment box below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so now so that you get more videos, and click on the notification bell so that you get more videos. You'll be the first to get the alert once I drop new videos. Thank you very much. My name is Solution Ahmed. I really thank you for staying till this end to watch my video. You are awesome, you are great, and you are the reason I'm making this content. My name is Solution Ahmed, and have a lovely time.